The information was researched and compiled by Mactuna Brian. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more contents.
We are poor, love when me watch out. We are poor, car me watch ani. Get on with it, we mir bogamu. Adin makwa, adin makwa. Your words are here, the memory stuck in my head. The promises I made to you still in my mind. The words you say, the world ahead won't be so fun. I promise you, I'll make my brain. Let me go free, help me baby, no. My satellite never goes, I never wished you but no. All I have a memory.
Afrobar is a record producer, singer and a songwriter based in Canada with an origin in Gulu City, Uganda. He is an Acholi by tribe. He is interested in R&B, pop and vocalization of cover musics. Afrobar is set to release a song entitled Like a Star Sunshine, which he already dropped the preview.
Underwater, I feel my soul just fading. It's simply over, right? I can't believe we ended. Oh, for loving you with all I had, we holding you so tight. Would just keep us falling far away. For giving you the world ahead, to keep you right in here. You never ever walk a mile away. Oh, like the stars you shine so bright in my darkest time of night. You're my only guide, my even if you're far away, I will always call your name and hope you come and hold me up.
Afrobar's first release was The Way You Love. It is produced with sweet gooey tur. It is relaxing and sensational. This release came in on the 24th of March, 2015.
When you walk, flying in the dark, I won't let you go far. The way you walk, the way you talk, makes me fall, turns me on. The way you walk, the way you talk, makes me fall.
The second one came in on the 28th of November, 2025. It is entitled Sorry. Sorry is so good for compromise in a love relationship.
I'm sorry that I'm gone. I left you all you want. Yeah. I know it wasn't right for me to turn on you and leave you like I know. Well, girl, it was better than I knew. How much your heart will never show. More than the tears can only prove that you're home. I'm sorry that I left you.
After Sorry, he went ahead to release You Got It Bad cover by Usher Raymond on the 29th of November 2015.
When you see that I love, and you really know everything that used to matter, don't matter no more. Like my money, or my cars, flower, cards, and candy.
Again, on the 8th of February in the year 2017, he dropped a cover of Michael Jackson's hit One More Chance.
All I need is one more chance at love.
Again, on the 8th of February in the year 2017 he dropped a cover of Michael Jackson's hit One More Chance.
The memories of your love, the memories of your love, the memories of your love. Lately I feel in my mind.
Fearless came after Memories of Love On in the year 2018 on the 10th of March. It was charming with deep submissive deep bass.
I can never forget. Please, oh, 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 oh. I need those memories. I need them all for you. Bleeds for you. My heart bleeds.
My Heart Bleeds followed on the 27th of June 2018.
Bleeds for you. Bleeds for you.
Coming in on the 5th of October, 2019 is a patriotic Hoyt song called Acholi.
Embrace it all. I'm Latin Pape, Acholi. Acholi Malay, Acholi Maria, Acholi Bagwere. I'm Latin Budo. I'm Maria, I'm Acholi, I'm Acholi. Acholi, Acholi, land of the brain. Oh, Acholi, land of the brain. Acholi, 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 land of the brave.
Coming in hitting hard is Apoil Mama on the 3rd of November, 2019. It is really an inspiring music.
We are poor, love when me watch out. We are poor, karmi wachani. Get on with it, we mir bogamu. Adin makwan, adin makwa. Your words are here, the memories stuck in my head. The promises I made to you still in my mind. The words you say, the world ahead won't be so fun. I promise you I'll make it through one step at a time. I for your mama, Bijemi weng me timo ira. I for your mama, Ichwale gampani rakwano. I for your mama, Igwagado ipiraya. I for your mama, for the love.
Waka, also known as Tell Me on the 9th of December, 2019. It is an electronic dance music also known as EDM. Tell Me is a real hit music.
Love, and every word that you can keep just text me away. I wonder what you were holding in from Mars, waiting from Mars. Yeah, you told me that it didn't matter. You told me that it would better get out. Oh, you say that you love me day and night. You told me that it would matter. You told me that it would break it out. Oh, you say that you love me day and night. Yeah. Oh, what you love. Chunya, 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 baby, on it. Oh, baby,
Afrobar dropped Min Baby or Baby Mama on the 23th of August 2021.
Jirani wachania charo, kama boy wajapindu mata. Jirani wachani chao tiro, jemi wachuala. Oh jirani nyara, jirani chaya oh. Oh jirani nyara, jirani chaya oh la. Me baby we, be back. We gonna time beat you.
Bagwere, which literally means at night, was released on the 30th of April 2022.
As said earlier, Like the Stars You Shine is the song set to be released by Afrobar, which he has not yet revealed the release date. The information was researched and compiled by Mactuna Brian. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more contents.
Underwater, I feel my soul just fading.